This conference will now be recorded.
Hopefully today class is going to be cancelled and we'll reschedule after festival here for these 2 hours. Just I'm waiting for the people, how many people attend to see. Okay, so this wildcards we have not discussed. The star symbol, question mark symbol, those things. Once couple of examples we have to see. Hidden files, these things, creating files, vEditor, cat command, WC, word count, then copy, MB, RM, delete. Okay, what is standard input, what is standard output? Standard error is also the standard output by default. Output device is the standard error device. And change directory, absolute path, relative path, all of you comfortable? Directory ls command, mkdir, rmdir. File access permissions, all of you understood very easily. This all available here, whatever I discussed. Those with examples, they are available. SUID, SGID, group ID, right? So chmod is the command for changing permissions. CHOWN is for changing owner of the file. chgroup grp is for changing the group. These examples very simple, just group name and file name. These things once you go through, because single user environment we can't practice. Okay, but once you create multiple users, user add command, for each user different group gets created, right? So the same thing you use as a group name, and you can go ahead with that. chmod command is for changing the permissions. Environment variables, we discussed environment variables. What is dot profile, term, path, ps1, ps2, these all things we discussed. Escape sequence characters, this you remember, everywhere it is useful. Okay, echo command, these things, these all are the environment variable. env is the command gives you environment. In the script, these all things, but don't go for this Java basic utilities. For the Java programmers, how to write the Java program, how to execute it. Okay, those all things. Pipes and filters, grep, we discussed the grep, right? For that we have examples here. These examples you practice, grep sort, PG more. Of course, PG filter works in Unix, but Linux PG is not working, more or less these things. So foreground process, background process. What is background process? What do you mean background process? In a Windows operating system, you see File Explorer is running, and GoToMeeting is running, and MS Word is running. Got it? Multiple processes are running, right? But only one process is active, foreground. Remaining all are background. Because it is GUI icons we are able to see, and we click it and bring it to the foreground, right? Right now, MS Word is foreground. Now I click on this Explorer. Explorer is foreground, and now MS Word is background. Now click on MS Word. MS Word is foreground. Explorer is background. So in any operating system, any environment, active foreground process is only one. Remaining processes, they are running, they all are backend processes. Okay, but how can we achieve this in character user interface? Linux, we are working in character user interface, right? So one program you execute, throw it to the background. That will be executed, that will be processed in the background. Understand? So your dollar prompt allow you to execute one more program. Either you execute as a foreground, otherwise that also you throw into background. So two programs are because the program is very small time, it's okay, but longer time we'll throw it to the background, right? Like that. So here by default every process is a foreground process. You want to send it to the background, you can use this ampersand. Got it? So that process will be done in the background. You do one thing for understanding these things. You see, this is LSCH star DOC. It will just print the output. If you put it here, it will go to background. It will be run in the background. Got it? But the thing is, if you redirect that to a file, you do one thing. You execute shell script for loop or while loop, endless, like that. Write two programs you execute and send it to the background, redirect the output to the file, because this is continuous process, right? So they are running, keep on running. In the foreground you write the ps command, you are able to see those scripts are running. There is continuous running, right? If anything you want to kill, you can use the kill command. Correct? The PS is used to see the process IDs, process details, so process related. Kill command is used to kill a process, how to stop the process. PS command to display the process details. Kill command is used to using the process ID. You can kill the process. You can stop the process explicitly. Okay, like this. So though that related things are available here, you can once go through this, you will be able to understand. Here, this is for communication purpose. Ping. What is ping? Ping చేయటం ఏంది? గిల్లటం అన్నమాట. ఇంకా వాడు ఉన్నాడు, పక్కన మనిషి ఉన్నాడు, వాడు ఊరేట గిల్లు వదిలేస్తాం అంటే నేను యాక్టివ్గా ఉన్నాడా లేదా, బతికున్నాడా లేదంటే కదులుతున్నాడా లేదా అని చూడటానికే కదా. ఇప్పుడు పింగ్ కూడా అంతేగా, రొటీన్ గా మీరు మాట్లాడుకుంటుంటారు కదా, రేపు 12 o'clock నాకు పింగ్ చేయని చెప్పి. అంటే ఏంది? టెక్స్ట్ చేయమని కాదు, రిమైండ్ చేయమని కాదు, ఓసారి నన్ను గదిలిచ్చు అని. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఓసారి నన్ను గదిలిచ్చు అని, నేను పట్టించుకోనేమో, నేను మర్చిపోతానేమో, ఒకసారి వెళ్తే యాక్టివ్ అవుతాను, అలర్ట్ అవుతాను. అట్లనే పింగ్ అంటే ఎనీ వెబ్సైట్ ఆర్ ఎనీ సర్వర్, ఎనీ IP address, is the communication is there properly or not, to check. We'll use this ping command. Okay, and it will show you how many packets are going and coming up and down communication. It will check. There is a ping command. FTP communication purpose, FTP command to connect to the FTP services. This all, so those commands also available here. File transfer protocol. And there is another system. In that system there is a drive. That drive is the directory configured as a network drive. I want to connect to that. I have to go to the FTP. For example, even web servers, if you purchase the web server, either you can communicate it using HTTP or FTP. FTP in the sense large files can be uploaded through the FTP. Okay. Of course, nowadays these all things become very easy. This is FTP command, finger command, is all right. This networking related things. That's basically ping and FTP, both are essential. Then V8, all the V8 options are available here. I gave you the special document, and in this also it is available. V8. Okay. So these all examples, V8, these all examples you can practice. Shell scripting. So here a couple of programs are there, and I give a couple of programs. Those all programs, so once, twice you practice. Okay. Next, in the shell scripting, already I have shown you array. What is array like that? See, this is making an array. Making an array. Array name index is equal to value. This is actually array, 0th index element, 1 index element, like this. Here what happened, this is the variable, this value is modified, that this is another variable, another variable, another variable, like this, multiple variables, multiple values. But here variable is the same name, index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same variable, index changes, multiple values. That is array actually. That array we can iterate using for loop or anything. Otherwise, we can use a set hyphen a array name, value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4, so on, like this also. You can create an array. A particular index value you want to read using dollar symbol, this is how you can read. Okay, understand or not? Understand or not? So this is the program I'm making an array, reading list of array, these all things. You can work with arrays. Okay. Then operators, these all are there. These all programs are available. String operations, string comparison, working with the string if statement, file test. This hyphen f hyphen d, I told you, right? Hyphen e, hyphen r, those options, those all options list is available here. This you can practice. C language is also one of the shell in Unix. Don't worry about this C shell, just for your understanding. Okay, so these all are available. If statement, while loop, for loop. Do one thing, these things you practice loops. Already we discussed, right? As open చేశారు ఈ బుక్ ని ఏదో నువ్వు పంపించినావు సార్ అట్ట పడున్నది క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో ఉంది కదా ఒక సంవత్సరం అట్టే ఉంచుతావు కదా తీయవు కదా ఇప్పుడు కావాల్సినప్పుడు చూస్తాంలే. So break statement, continue statement, these all sample programs are available. Okay, so these are the generally programming escape sequence, form feed, okay, backspace, alert, new line, /n is for new line. These escape sequence characters you have to remember everywhere it is useful. Even Python also developed in C language. Those are Unix, C, Java escape sequence characters are the same. So working with variables, okay, these all are there. So these examples one by one you practice. So what's about single quote, double quote, this all you will become perfect in the this one. I input output redirections, less than, greater than symbol, that already I told you. So maximum things we covered. Functions, then these functions we did not discuss. Okay, arrays and functions we did not discuss. What is function? Function is for reusability of the code. Okay, function is for reusability of the code. So this is the function, hello is the function I am writing, and if I need I can call the function hello, right? Understand? So I'm calling the hello function, so that will be executed. Function takes parameters. Here hello function is not taking parameters, but I'm passing, and I can call the function, and at the time of calling the function I can pass the parameters. Hello takes parameters. So again $1, $2 inside the function, positional parameters, right? Yeah, this I will show you. Arrays and functions, these things we'll see. Shell functions.
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, this document is not there in the classroom, sir.
It is there here. I think after uploading the document, you connected to the classroom, is it?
No, sir, only I can see the Python material, sir. Python.
డాక్యుమెంట్ కెళ్ళి టూలో ఉంది కదా, ఇది పెట్టలేదా? నేను డ్రైవ్ షేర్ చేసినట్టున్నాను కదా. ఐ థింక్ నాట్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ డ్రైవ్ ఇచ్చినట్టు ఇవ్వలేదా? హౌ డిడ్ ఐ క్లాస్ షేర్ ద క్లాస్ డ్రైవ్ ఆర్ క్లాస్ డ్రైవ్ లింక్ కదా. Someone put the drive link in the chat box here. Online people who is missing, those people will take. మీకు మెయిల్ లో పంపించాను కదా, క్లాస్ రూమ్ వాళ్ళందరికీ డ్రైవ్ మెయిల్ లో పంపించాను కదా. డ్రైవ్ లో పెట్టి మీకు డ్రైవ్ మెయిల్ లో పంపించాను. ఆన్లైన్ వాళ్ళకి పేస్ట్ చేస్తే yeah, who is missing? This is the drive link here. You people please take it. All the documents I shared. See, so shell scripting scripts is the drive. All the shell scripting programs I kept here, right? So shell Unix scripting 45 scripts, 35 scripts, all the shell scripting related files I kept in this. So these are the some other books. So VA editor, for VA editor separately 300 pages books. The publisher book soft copies and additional resources for your further study and actions yourself. Document the Unix uploaded. Okay. So the, who is not taken the link, please take this link. Yeah. Now I'm opening terminal and let us write a simple script. This one to make the array, to create the array. So what are the ways we can create array? This is one way we can create array. Otherwise we can create array like this, right? Otherwise array name is equal to so and so. Like this we can create the array. Let us observe in the prompt. Set hyphen a. What is that option? Array name. Array name. What is the array name? For example, I am giving JSR ARR1 is the array name. Okay. Set hyphen a array name. Then multiple values you can pass. You can give the multiple values. Suppose I am giving the space 555, space 888, space 222, space 4343 space 9898, something like this. How many values you want, you can give. Okay, enter. What happened? Invalid option in the bash shell. Of course, this works in different shell. In the bash shell, this invalid option. Okay, -a is invalid option. Okay, now you see JSR ARR1. So here $JSR ARR1, nothing, it's not taking this because set option is different. -a is not working. So in bash shell, this option is not working. Then what is the other option we can see?
I think we need to provide the square brackets.
There are various options, right? So this is another option is there. Can we check this also? This is another option we are able to see. What is the name? Suppose JSR ARR1 is equal to within the brackets 222, comma 333, comma separated or space separated? Commas are given? No. Okay, let us give space 333, 555, 111, 666, 777, something like this. Now what happened? Syntax error because 2 equal to I gave. The problem is I gave 2 equal to. Now you see JSR ARR1 because it is array. Same thing. Command not found. Then what can I do? Dollar symbol ECHO dollar is not giving anything, right? But I want to access 0th indexed element, 1 indexed element, because this is not a single value container. It is not a simple variable. It is a array, right? So how to access the array? Dollar name of 0 within the curly brackets. Okay. ECHO dollar curly brackets. What is the name? JSR ARR1 of 0 curly brackets close. Is it? But again, syntax error. It's not giving anything. Let me see. Like this is not giving any value. Okay.
Yeah, firstly
Let us write this.
didn't take the value. While declaring the variables, just provide the square brackets, like a square bracket 0 equal the value, the square bracket 1 equal value, likewise.
That's okay. I'm trying all the values how to directly, if we provide that hello or not, various options we are trying. That's okay. This is okay. This works. Already program is that this works. But I'm trying for this option. Is this options works or not? Some flavors it works. Okay, directly giving the value. But here bash shell of Ubuntu we are using, that's not accepting the -a option. Okay. Okay, if you try this, it works. You see. One second. System becomes slow. You see, this name is the variable name. For everything you give the name 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will accept the values and that you can print. Let us write the script. This is slide. వెయిట్ చేయండి, నేను వేరేది ఆన్ చేస్తాను. అరేస్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అన్న ఫినిష్ చేద్దాం. All of you, please wait.
Yeah, can you try that command once? I have pinged in chat. And bash.
Wait. Now all of you able to see my screen.
Yes.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. If you're talking.
Hello. Hello. Sir, your voice is not audible.